Bullish Vechain cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 8 cents and 18 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept VET could reach 8 cents by 2025. Bearish Vechain market cost expectation for 2022 is 1 cent. Vechain presentation. Since its moderately unassuming starting points in 2015, the Vechain network has advanced and is rapidly drawing in worldwide consideration. Presently, in excess of 30 organizations inside the Fortune 500 run live arrangements on Vechain, including BMW, Deloitte, PwC, Walmart, LVMH, and Renault. This Vechain cost expectation guide will update you on all that you really want to be aware of Vechain. Continue to peruse to figure out what Vechain is, from its highlights to specialized investigation, authentic information, value forecasts, and that's just the beginning. What is Vechain? Vechain is a self-created blockchain stage work to support production network the executives and smooth out business processes. The stage was established in 2015 by Radiant Lu, a previous CIO of Louis Vuitton China. In its initial days, the VET token worked exclusively as a component of the Ethereum blockchain. The originators, notwithstanding, had a few loftier objectives as a top priority. In 2018, Vechain completely rebranded itself and progressed onto its own public blockchain, switching its VEN tokens over completely to VET as well as adding the Vechain gas token VTHO. It has since developed into an undertaking-centered, multi-coin IoT and inventory network the executives' environment and has effectively settled a significant client base. With the assistance of disseminated record innovation, the stage can arrange and smooth out data stream for complex stock chains. It utilizes two essential tokens, Vechain Thor Energy and Vechain Token, for conveying esteem across the framework. As per Vechain's white paper, the two-token framework was organized to have a dependable model for decentralized application engineers and guarantee compelling administration. The Vechain white paper frames the stage's fundamental point, which is to make information straightforward and significant. It likewise expects to be an IoT middle person and at the very front of introductory coin contributions made utilizing Vechain. By joining DLT with IoT viewpoints, the Vechain network is satisfying its objective of causing disturbances in the inventory network industry. Vechain key examination. VET stands apart as one of the first blockchains planned solely to meet the necessities of big business-level customer base. It is one of a handful of the crypto projects that throw a tantrum with large names like Walmart China, Cointelegraph, PwC, Louis Vuitton, LVMH, BMW Gathering, Moet, and Hennessy. Here is a speedy outline of a portion of Vechain's most remarkable highlights. Multitask exchange. Vechain's multi-capability nuclear exchanges enable designers to make group installments, decide their successions, and add various calls to various agreement capabilities. Controllable exchange lifecycle. With the assistance of block ref and termination exchange fields, clients can determine the handling and lapse times on the off chance that excluded from a block. Fee designation. Vechain's adaptable exchange expense designation plans furnish installed clients with a freemium model inside a decentralized application. Proof of power. Vechain utilizes a proof of power model to guarantee that future improvements are in accordance with the vision of the Vechain establishment. The blockchain is kept up with by 101 power masternodes. Use case. Vechain innovation has a plenty of purposes across different ventures yet has a quick, critical, and clear advantage inside supply chains. The innovation permits various organizations inside the production network to involve Vechain character innovation and track things progressively through each stage. With resource digitization, RFID chips and QR codes, store network accomplices, makers, and even shoppers can follow the development of any item through the production network and immediately decide its quality and legitimacy. Governance. Vechain utilizes a distinct and extraordinary administration framework not the same as the conventional decentralized frameworks of Ethereum or Bitcoin. It is organized to amplify speed, productivity, and straightforwardness, where partners with casting a ballot authority select the guiding council leading group of the Vechain establishment. Vechain cost. Vechain is at present worth 1 cent USD. That has moved 2.02% as of now with an exchanging volume of $32,791,882. Vechain is at present position 32 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,391,163,260 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Vechain to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our value forecasts are planned on specialized examination as it were. We utilize a few specialized pointers, including MACD, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, moving midpoints, and trend lines. Our estimates utilize ongoing Vechain market information, permitting us to refresh our site with dynamic cost forecasts. Vechain Value Expectation 2022. Vechain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The VET cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 2 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 2 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. VET is supposed to have a base worth of 2 cents. Vechain Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Vechain VET cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of VET will before long outperform 4 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the VET's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, VET will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 3 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 4 cents. Vechain Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 6 cents and VET might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. VET is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 6 cents and a low of 5 cents in 2024. Vechain Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Vechain effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the VET coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, VET will be green in 2025. The VET is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 8 cents, with a base cost of 7 cents and a typical cost of 8 cents. Vechain Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the VET cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 9 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 9 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, VET has a greatest value worth of 10 cents. Vechain Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 11 cents. On the off chance that VET figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 12 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help VET needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 11 cents. Vechain Value Expectation 2028. While VET is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 13 cents and a yearly cost close above 14 cents in 2028. Vechain Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Vechain will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 15 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 16 cents, averaging out at 15 cents. Vechain Value Expectation 2030.